This is probably one of the most common comments I get on my channel. If you're doing all the prep work, why not just ceramic coat the whole car? I think a lot of people really misunderstand what keeps a car looking good long term. But here's the reality. Ceramic coatings do not stop swirl marks, water spots, other defects and blemishes over time. So in this video, I want to explain why I personally don't ceramic coat most cars, although I do believe they do have benefits. The internet sometimes makes ceramic coating sound like a permanent invisible shield. Like once your car is coated, it somehow stays perfect forever and never needs to be maintained. If you've never worked on ceramic coated cars regularly and inspect them under direct sunlight, you'd probably believe the same thing too. But whether it's a 3-year coating, a 5-year coating, or even a lifetime coating, they still accumulate things like water spots, swirl marks, oxidation, bug gut etchings, and things of that nature. And they still require maintenance. The thing that actually transforms the paint the most is actually the prep work. And prep work is really just a deep cleaning restoration process for your paint. And that generally is going to include chemical decontamination, a clay bar, and lightly polishing the paint at the very least. And polishing is what restores that gloss, that beautiful shine we all love, looks like a mirror, and it gives it that buttery smooth paint at the end. So most of the shine that people attribute to a ceramic coating is actually all the work we did before we applied the ceramic coating. The ceramic coating just enhances the gloss a little bit more. If you want your paint looking close to show car for the long term, or even just regularly, eventually you're gonna have to polish your car again. But here's the problem. Polishing is abrasive, and ceramic coatings are gradually removed through this abrasion. So eventually, if you have to polish the car, the coating is going to be removed with it, and then it just has to be reapplied. Now, to be fair, coatings do help reduce the contamination from bonding to your paint. It really does make your paint way easier to clean. But coatings really do develop defects and blemishes over time that still have to be corrected through polishing. And a lot of enthusiasts, especially black car owners, lightly polish their car every year or even 2 to maintain that glossy appearance. So for some people, expensive coatings just end up becoming costly and way too much to maintain. Some people are just better off using something more affordable and easier to use as a sacrificial protection. Now, with all that said, ceramic coatings absolutely make sense for a lot of people. For example, if you hate waxing, you don't obsess over every little defect on your paint, maybe you don't have a black car, you have a white car, so it's way easier not to notice these defects, or you just want solid protection that makes your car way easier to clean long term, then coatings can be fantastic for you. Now personally, I'm extremely busy. I got 4 kids, a wife, 2 dogs, and I run this business online. But I also like my vehicles looking their best all the time. So a lot of times, I'll just rather use something simple and easier to maintain. For example, I'll just use something like 3D Speed a few times a year. It's going to lightly polish a car to restore gloss and clarity, while also leaving some protection behind at the same time. That makes it a great option when you don't want to separate polishing and waxing in 2 different steps. But even something as simple as polishing with 3D1 and then applying Briat's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic spray wax afterward is dramatically simpler and way less expensive than trying to maintain a multi-year ceramic coating. And the biggest advantage for me personally is flexibility. If I accidentally let water spots etch into the paint over a week or 2, I can simply deep clean the paint and replenish it with a light polish anytime this happens. With a true ceramic coating, that becomes way more expensive and complicated. There's no universal best protection out there. There's only the best option for your goals. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people obsessing over these ceramic coatings, while completely ignoring the importance of regularly maintaining your vehicle and deep cleaning it periodically over the life of the car. Because long term, that is what usually determines how good a vehicle is actually going to look. Now, if you want to learn more about how to deep clean your paint properly and prep it for any of these coatings or waxes and sealants, click this video right here. And subscribe to the channel. You can learn lots of tips and tricks on how to maintain your car.